Hey sisters, it's me, Tiffany Taylor. And today we are opening fortune cookies. These are all the other ones that we opened on our last video. Glasses, seashell, and some are changed colors in the water. So now we're gonna open the ones that we didn't open. And Hazel's here with me, and she's gonna open some too. We both have the same amount. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and click the little bell right next to it so you know when I have a new video. And follow us on Instagram. I have an Instagram and Hazel has it. We post over there every day, so go check it out. Now, let's get started. Wait, what is it? M&M? I thought there was supposed to be a bracelet in there. Well, at least it's yummy. They're good. We're gonna open the BFF series like you gave one to the other friend. He's my friend. So he's gonna open first. What are you gonna get? Well, I really wanted the cutie pie gummy bears. Yeah! Well, Tiffany here. Thank you. Let's see what we get. Hazel's gonna open first. Wait, what is it? Wait. Oh! Where's the dirt? Oh! Whoa! Where's the thunder? Well, we didn't get my favorite gummy bear, but that's okay. Maybe we'll get it for this one or the other one. Where got the thunder? Wait, what does it say? He got glittery too! We both got it! It's rare! You wanted to do one, Tiffany. You wanted to do one the way I got the cloud, Tiffany got the thunder. Yeah, that was so fun. Now we're opening mine. Ooh, it's strong. Well, so here's the collector's guide, and so I'm gonna give one to my best friend. Here you go, Hazel. Thank you, Tiffany. You're welcome, and throw this on the floor. Hazel goes first. What did you get? Wait. Jelly! I got jelly. That means the peanut butter. Oh, Hazel wanted this. Oh, Hazel! And they're glittery, so I guess this is not rare. No. Wait. It's this. Oh wait, I got the first top. So that's just lucky. Lucky. One lucky. Now I'm gonna open Glitz and Gold series. Hazel's gonna go first, and she chose pink, her favorite color. You have to open from here, Hazel. Here? Yeah. Go, Hazel. Whoa! It opened. Wait. Okay, here. Very lucky. So it's my turn to open a lucky fortune. I want blue. Because blue is my favorite color. Oh, I accidentally ripped that. Tiffany! Sorry. Oh, good. Oh, I got it. So here. Whoa! I got the spray! I got the spray, and that's lucky. It's Hazel's turn to open a lucky fortune. And she got blue. Go with me. Oh. Wait. White. Wait, that's... Got she got the same thing. This is so weird. We got a duplicate. Now it's my turn to open one, and I'm gonna open green. I got my more than green. Oh, I gotta wait. Oh, Little Mermaid. I got the Little Mermaid. The Little Mermaid is lucky. Ooh, and let's see what it says right over here. It says you are a mermaid to shine. Right hand? Yeah. No, left hand. So I'm gonna open the purple one. Yes, the purple. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Okay, open it. Okay. Which one is it? Wait, it's yellow. Shoes! What? Shoes! Shoes! That's Camilo! Look, Camilo! Woo! Hey, look at the shoes! These shoes are lucky. Hey, we both said it. I think it's my shoes inside. So it's my turn to open one of the fortune cookies. And since I really want to open these two, so I'll just get blue. Rip. A car in there. There's a car in there. Okay, so we got a map. Put this one on the floor. Open it, please. What? For you, isn't it? Oh, I think I know what I got. Another bucket. Wait a minute. Another triplet. Wait, where's the bee? I already have this one. It's somewhere over here in our collection. Wait a second. Wait a second. Now I'm gonna open the pink one. Please be the shark. Give it the shark. I'm keeping it. I'm just kidding. Wait, throw it on the floor. Oh, I'm gonna go there. It's stuck in there. Oh, got it! Got it! We got a triplet, sisters. So I guess one is for our mom. So I'm gonna open the orange one. This. If it doesn't have it, the other one will just probably have it. Triplets again, sisters! Look at this. That's good. I'm opening my last one, sister. Could you open it, please? You're welcome. I will open it. Oh, look. Okay, you can do this. I wonder what it's going to be. Please tell me the shark. It will be my shark. Not your shark. It's my shark. Who's the shark? God. Thank you. We got 3! Wake up! That's it. Where's my bee? Now we got 3 bees for our collection, which is where the other bee. We got 3 triplets. I'm stuck. This is the last fortune cookie that we had. It must be the king. Let's see. Oh, I ripped it. Okay, we need that. Whipped it. Fast. Ow. Okay. Fast, fast, fast. Like Sonic. Fast, fast, fast. Okay, I'm not fast like Sonic. I'm hoping for this one, or the cute little teddy bear. Is it? Oh, hovers. I hope. I don't know where I'll have it, but I hope I will have it. Oh my. Open it. Triplets. Again. We have three cactuses! What? This is not true. This is not true. These are all the ones we got today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bracelets of Lucky Friday.